Here we have our new MAG250 IP set-top box. The screen here is the main menu. This particular box here is not running any special middleware. This is the middleware that comes with the set-top right out of the box. The menu is very intuitive to the user. The remote control. You can see that the IP set-top box supports home media, IPTV Channels, internet bookmarks or internet browsing. There's a built-in YouTube app. There's a built-in photo application, settings, a few games like memory, Sudoku, lines. There's a built-in weather application, record manager, download manager, and what I find really nice about the box is in the menu guide, all of the user manuals are preloaded onto the box. As an example, in characteristics, this particular help guide gives a great overview of what this particular device supports right out of the box. You can see that the device with the pre-installed software offers users the following possibilities: viewing HD video content, viewing multicast streams or IPTV channels from a list, creating IPTV channels, and so on. So it really gives the user a lot of descriptive information, so they understand their box and the included services. We're going to back out of this particular menu. Let's start with home media. So because it's an IP set-top box, it's obviously connected to the network. Up here in the upper left-hand corner is your network symbol, a Wi-Fi symbol, an internet symbol. So you could see that we're actively connected to the internet and we're connected to our network. So home media, the box will discover devices on your home network, like other PCs, computers, or devices that support the DLNA protocol. So let's access home media. You can see I have a network menu, a universal plug and play menu. You can define favorites, or you can see that there's a USB stick because the box has two USB ports, one in the front and one in the rear, for video. So not only is it an IP set-top box, but you could use it as a media player. Let's access the Kensington. Video. So the box works as a standalone media player. You can see that the video starts, very good quality. We're going to back out of this, back out, back out. Let's try the universal plug and play. Let's see what devices are on the network. You can see here that this particular Think One is my laptop in the room. This is another laptop that's on the same network. These two devices here are another product that we sell here at Toner. These are our IP3 streamers, which also support the universal plug and play. You can see that I've defined the stream as a HLS or HTTP live stream. This video content here is actually the output of my laptop. I'm currently tuned to a Ustream stream. This is a live camera feed of the aquarium at Monterey Bay. Basically what I'm highlighting here is how someone in, let's say, a school setting could use their laptop to connect to a camera like this, maybe a NASA feed or something educational, run it to the IP3 streamer, put the video on the network, use an IP box to decode it. And you could do this throughout the school as long as the boxes are connected to the network. So you can see here that this is, again, a live camera feed from Monterey Bay Aquarium. And all this, again, can be found under your home media setting. Back to the main menu, IPTV Channels. Your IPTV channels are basically video services that that the engineering team has defined. Basically we've created some IPTV channels using off-air content, 8 VSB being received off the antenna into a transcoder, IP video out onto the network. So I'm going to select IPTV channels. You can see here, this is WCAU in HD. Again, it's starting out as 8 VSB, high def, off-air content. I'm converting it to IP with a transcoder, placing it on the network, and using the IP set-top box to decode the IP video. The set-top's really nice from a perspective of defining and building channel maps. It's very easy. You can create an M3U playlist. You can manually define channels. You can see here in my IPTV channel list, I've created some services. The first service is one of our IP3 streamers that's on the network. The next handful of services are all off-air local 8 VSB services that I've turned into IP. You can see WCAU HD is at this RTP address that I've built and defined and placed on the network. And again, for every set-top box, whether it's IP or a set-top from your cable provider, they all have channel maps. It's very easy to build and to deploy channel maps to the MAG250. It's very customer friendly. Again, these services don't come with the box. These are services that an operator or a service provider or a school would build and provide out. Let's try another service here. This is WTXF Fox. You can see when it's selected, the video is actually present in the background, which adds to the user experience of the box. Video clarity is very good. The content here on this particular service is MPEG-4. The box supports MPEG-2, MPEG-4, AC3 audio, AAC audio, MP4s. The box supports a wide range of formats. So we're back to the home menu, internet bookmarks. Again, the box, when connected to the network, if you have internet access, you can actually browse the internet with the box. On the remote control, there's a built-in keyboard, virtual keyboard, I'll call it. Or you can use the USB stick, the USB ports, to connect a mouse and a keyboard to the box and use it like a terminal. So now that we've returned from looking at our internet bookmarks, we're back at the main menu here. Let's take a quick look at one of the built-in applications like YouTube. Again, the set-top needs to be connected to the internet. You can see that the app here is pretty snappy. At the bottom are some listings for category, suggestions, search, and settings. They correspond to the keys on the remote control. So let's try category. So you can see I could search for videos based on most viewed, most popular, top favorites, top rated, most discussed. Let's try top rated. You can see here there's a promo for Disney Cinderella, time lapse of the Buffalo Lake effect, and so on. Let's exit out of this app. Now we're back to the main menu. Again, you can see the box is pretty responsive. Again, at a high level, this is the MAG254 set-top box. It supports home media via USB, via networking, supports IPTV channels, internet searching and browsing, some built-in applications like YouTube and picture applications, and some built-in games. Again, the MAG254 is available from Toner Cable. Thank you.